Hi, I'm Andy from Renovate, Innovate, and today we're going to be getting this boring old white socket and switching it for one that looks like this. Hi, I'm Andy from Renovate Innovate, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take this boring old white plastic socket and swapping it for a nice chrome one like this. All the tools, the basic tools that we'll be using will be linked in the description below. Hopefully by watching this it'll give you the confidence to have a go yourself. If you do watch this video and you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, and you'll get loads of notifications of all the other videos we've got on our channel. So, let's get cracking. Right, the tools we need, very simple. A VDE screwdriver, I think this one's a 4mm one, socket tester and a backup tester, and of course your socket. First thing we're going to do, isolate the power. We'll go down to the main fuse board and switch that off. Right, so we've been to turn the power off. This is dead. We'll just try both sides. And the secondary tester, I always like to use, I'll test this on a live socket somewhere else, but I know this is now, there's no power going through this. Now simply what we're going to do, unscrew these two screws, and go from one side to the other, just out of habit of doing that. Also when you're tightening we'll do the same, just to not bend the lugs on the back box. Inside here, you'll see there's a red, a black and green and yellow wires. We'll just undo those and then we'll locate where we'll be putting these wires into the new socket. On the back of the socket we've got an L for the live, which will be the red wire, N for neutral, which will be the black, and here we've got two places that we could put the earth. So on this one, earth's already on this side, we'll put it into there. Simple as that. We'll screw them in, make sure they're tight, and we'll put in our screws in there as well. On here, because it's a tiled wall in the kitchen, the screws that come with the socket aren't long enough, so get yourself some longer screws, and we'll just check that they're the right length, they'll fit in there and not stick out when they're tightened up. So the red one goes in the live. The black one in the neutral. And the green and yellow in the earth. We'll just tug on those. Make sure they're in, nice and safe. Push it back carefully. If there's not much room behind, you don't want to be crushing these wires or getting them stuck on anything. Push them back and we'll off our screws. This is the trickiest bit. I think, yeah, we're in there. Gonna lose me for a second while I go in here and try and line this up. And just be careful when you tighten these up, not to scratch this new chrome plate. You could use a level on here to make sure that your socket's level, but we can eye this up off the tiles. Don't over tighten these too much. And that's it. Simple as that. Now what we're going to do is just put our tester in there, turn the power back on and make sure everything's safe. On this tester, what we were looking for is 3 orange lights, which everything is correct and the fuse is okay. So we'll do that now. And there you have it. Simple little job. Check both sides. Easy to do. Very few basic tools needed. I hope this video has given you the confidence to do it yourself. If you've liked this video, again, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, Renovate Innovate. Loads of videos on there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.